So in this video series, I'll try to go over this FCPS Python package. And for this video, I'm going to go over lab 00. Well, actually, before that discussion. So this one kind of explains a few things. Okay? Number one, like computer science teachers have always had to balance the big ideas against the details of syntax. Okay? Uh, Mainly, it's really important for you to understand the syntax. And then if you don't write your code with the right syntax, you will get an error. But in reality, though, whenever you write a code, you use this IDE, and these days IDEs, like most IDEs, do fabulous job. Meaning, if you make any mistake, it usually tells you right away. And even if you don't catch it right away, you will always get that console message. So you will actually you'll be able to easily fix your syntax error. So what recent computer programming education focuses on is great ideas, big ideas, or in other words, how to utilize all these all these coding blocks together to solve the problem. So that is why we sometimes call computer programming is really is problem solving. Okay, you will learn a lot of coding blocks, and uh, pretty much we want you to combine these coding blocks together to solve kind of bigger problem. Okay? And one thing I noticed, like this uh, structure or file structure. So here, uh, you must save your work in your personal folder, which might be on a network drive or hard drive or removable drive. The PyCarol folder with all its file and folders should be copied from a CD or network drive into your personal folder. So basically, what we are going to do is we are going to utilize some of these files in our program. And when we do this, we sometimes use file paths, meaning we have to tell computer where your files are located. And then this is basically the regulation, well, I mean, I would say rules, not regulation, rules that we are going to use. We are going to put all of our Py files in one place. And exception would be this Word, the files, and then they will be located inside a Word folder. Basically, again, whenever we whenever we use these types of files from our program, what is going to happen is we are not going to import these files into our program, but instead, what we do is we point we point these files and then tell computer to bring it or use it. In that sense, inside of our program, we often call these files with file paths. We basically indicate where it's located. And then to establish that connection, we basically need to put all of our files, okay, following these rules, meaning you have to put your the files in one place. And other things there's some things about PyCarol that's basically use it for robotics. And so technically, there's going to a lot of kind of controlling the movement of robot when we work with this PyCarol. But essentially, we are using Python, so you will learn how to use Python using these examples of controlling like the robots. All right. That is discussion welcome. Welcome discussion or whatever.